Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm reviewing a product range which is completely free from chemicals, which means it does not have any parabens, SLS, SLES, completely perfume free, any artificial colorants free, all those bad things that we're afraid of. It is free from all of that. The brand range is known as Ayuroma. So Ayuroma is a product range which contains all the products right from shampoos. They make shampoos, they make face toners, they make face care products like creams, they make body care products as well. So it's a complete range, and it's free from chemicals, full of the organic ingredients. They mostly take one of the primary ingredients, which is an organic ingredients, and certain secondary ingredients, but nothing has any kind of parabens, SLS, SLES, all the bad things, which means to an extent my let's say search or my quest for finding the kind of best kind of organic product has come to an end to quite an extent. I would be sharing certain of the shampoos, a makeup cleanser, and two of the face mists that Ayuroma had sent me for review. So these products have been sent to me for review. I have used them for about 1.5 months before giving you a complete review of it. So please don't worry, you are in safe hands. And आपको पता है मैं mostly झूठ नहीं बोलती हूँ, कभी कभी एज के लिए झूठ बोल लेती हूँ, but that's okay. Okay, coming back to Ayuroma, I would be sharing the shampoos first of all with you. I have 3 shampoos right now with me. The first one that I have is the Shikakai Kesh Ratna hair wash. This is the kind of packaging that Ayuroma has. Now, one more thing that I love about Ayuroma, that it is completely organic, it is completely chemical free, but it is also very cost effective. So for all my students, or all the ladies here who are cost effective like me, or let's say who are conscious like me, price conscious like me, it's a great range for all of us. So this is the Shikakai Kesh Ratna. They say that is for controlling hair fall and dandruff. Now, just to tell you, Shikakai is a kind of organic ingredient which helps in hair fall, dandruff, and also helps whenever I used to ask my grandmother what to do to make my hair longer, because I used to have these issues of my hair not growing in my younger days. She used to always suggest me to use Shikakai. So in addition to hair fall, reducing hair fall and dandruff, this also helps in adding volume and adding length to your hair. So this is the kind of 100 ml bottle, mostly has Shikakai, but also has the benefits of Avla, Rita, Gulab. I used to at times add it in a hair mask and apply it on my hair. Now again, this is completely SLS and SLES free, so it's a great shampoo. I have used it for about 3 to 4 weeks before giving you a review. I have to tell you that the 100 ml bottle is only for 80 bucks, and let's say the expiry is about 2 years hence, which means that you can safely use it, and it won't expire. Like most of the organic products, we have a problem with it, but there's no such problem with it. I loved their shampoo range. Frankly, you all know that I was searching for a range which does not have SLS and SLES, does not have silicone in it. I guess kind of my wait is over. So this is the Shikakai shampoo. They also have another variant, which is the Avla variant. Now Avla, this is Avla Kesh Saundarya, similar kind of packaging, plastic packaging, plastic bottle packaging, which is good also for let's say shampoos and all, because it's very easy to keep in our washrooms and all. So Avla, if the major ingredient is Avla in a product, it is going to add shine to your hair. So Shikakai mostly adds length and controlled hair fall. Avla mostly adds shine to the hair and general health for the hair. So this also has Avla, Gudhel, Rita, Seb, Gajjar, and a lot of other ingredients. Also has honey in it. Honey is very good for our hair and also for our face as well. So this is also 100 ml shampoo, which is for 80 bucks only. So it's extremely cost effective, completely organic, chemical free, not tested on animals, of course. I mean, what else do you want from a product? And it's completely vegetarian. So they have a vegetarian sign also in it. This is the Amla variant. Now all their shampoos that I'm showing you have a very gel-like consistency. So they are not a cream based, they are a gel-based product. And as they don't add any colorants or artificial supplements to it, it has the kind of natural consistency that any product should have, any organic. So this is the third kind of conditioner. If you do not, if you're not very sure whether you need shine or you need hair fall, or you need the benefit of both, this has Amla, Rita, and Shikakai as the main ingredients. This is a hair cleanser and conditioner both. So it has the properties of a conditioner as well. And I have used it for those two shampoos. I used to mostly use a conditioner on top of it or a hair mask kind of a thing. But with this, I never needed a conditioner. So this is Amla Rita Shikakai, again a 100 ml product. Because it has the benefits of all three, it is priced at 110 rupees. I'll also link down the prices below so you don't have to worry on that. So for their shampoos, the method of usage is very similar to any other shampoo. You have to wet your hair and then put a little bit of shampoo. Little goes a long way with these shampoos, by the way. And though they have natural ingredients, it's not that they produce too less lather. At times the natural ingredient products produce very less lather, so it becomes difficult, especially for shampoos, to clean the hair. But it produces enough lather, not too much, not too little, which is why I really liked it. Among the three shampoos that are there, the Amla and the Shikakai and this one, the Amla Rita Shikakai, my favorite is this one because I don't need to top it up with a conditioner. But you can try all three of them because anyways they are very cost effective and they are very much beneficial for the hair as well. I would be going to the toners, or let's say the face toners, or mist, let's say there. Now this is the rose toner from Ayuroma. A lot of my ladies were asking me that do I have something in between a homemade rose water and Kama Ayurveda rose water, because it's extremely expensive. Now here is the answer to that. This is a 100 ml bottle for 120 bucks only. Comes in a spray bottle, so you can spray it very easily. I mostly keep it in my office desk and I keep spritzing it all throughout the day. And this of course has the benefits of rose. You can use this as normal rose water, also as a toner as well, as a face mist, or I also add it in my powdery face mask. So because it's cost effective, you can easily add it in face mask as well. With the Kama Ayurveda one, I used to be like, itna zyada mehenga hai, how can I add it in a face mask and all that. So the major ingredient is of course gulab, and it also has a lot of other ingredients, like it has a little bit of orange. So with orange, it helps you improve your skin texture. So those kind of things, but again completely paraben, completely natural, no preservatives, no chemicals, not even the smell. So I have to mention that the smell is not very similar to all the rose water smell, those artificial smell. It has a very natural kind of a smell to it. I again mentioned the price is 120 bucks for 100 ml and comes in a spritz plastic bottle. The fourth product, or let's say the second spray spritzer, is the blackberry astringent lotion. They call it an astringent lotion, but it is also a kind of mist or a toner. I mostly use it morning and evening just after washing my face for toning my face. So that one I use throughout the day. This is a little stronger because this is for oily skin girls, or whenever you're having grease on your skin, even my dry skin ladies, you can use this kind of spritzer. And this has the goodness of blackberry in it. And let me tell you, whenever you would use this one, this actually helps you remove the oil and grease which is there. And it is also for 120 bucks, so it's pretty cost effective. I mostly use it in the morning and at night after coming back from work, because it helps in removing all those impurities which are there, because we live in cities, so we do get impurities in our skin. Obviously we walk and everything, so aa hi jata hai. So this kind of product is very good for that. And thankfully the smell is also pretty pleasant. It's not a very strong smell, let's say. And it really helps in keeping the skin non-greasy, like throughout the day as well, and even in the night, so which is why I really like it. And I guess this will be the sixth product. Yeah, so the sixth product, which might be like my new holy grail right now, is the Hingoat cleansing lotion. This is a star product that they have here. It is a daily care cleansing milk. So this has the goodness of 14 herbs. As you know, my favorite currently was the Soul Tree cleansing milk, but this is 100 bucks only for like about 100 ml, and this has worked wonders. Now I use it to remove my makeup whenever I apply makeup. At times when my skin is feeling extremely dry, which at times happens at night, I would use it just as a regular cleansing milk, post which I would maybe wash my face with water or with a kind of regular face wash. I must tell you that it will help you keeping your skin smooth and supple, and also with makeup, it really helps removing makeup very smoothly. And to tell you, it does not sting my eye. My eyes get sting very easily, but this does not sting my eye at all. It has a regular, I can show you the consistency of this. It has a regular kind of a consistency. So this is the kind of consistency that it has, a regular creamy milky consistency. It can be used whenever your skin is feeling a little dry as well, and also to remove makeup. Quite creamy, it nicely absorbs in the skin as well, and removes makeup very nicely, and keeps your skin a little moisturized even after removing makeup, which is why I love it. So these were the 6 products. Now a very good news for all my lovely ladies out there. Now Ayuroma has been kind enough to give me a special discount coupon for all of my ladies, all of my subscribers. So you'll get a 15% off from 100 rupee onwards if you shop from www.ayuroma.co.in. They have a complete range of skincare, hair care, face care, all kinds of products, so you can check it out for yourselves. They make very good face masks also. So they have a special 15% off coupon code, which I'm linking down below. For every purchase of rupees 100 and onwards, you can use it. And for any purchase above rupees 500, you're going to get free shipping as well as a 100 ml shampoo free with your order. So please do order from the website. I'm linking it down below as well. And do try any of these products that you might need in your daily life. I would definitely recommend their shampoo, their cleanser, and one of their toners, whichever you like. Do let me know how you like the Ayuroma products, if you have used them in the past, and how was your experience and all that. And please do shop from there, because I really support the brand. They are completely chemical free, which is a great thing, and they are very, very cost effective, which is something which is like insurmountable for me, because organic products and let's say chemical free and so cost effective, I'm kind of sold. So please do let me know how you like the products. Do shop from there, and thank you for watching our channel. Bye bye.